Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we will be replacing the buffer belt on your Atlas Pro lane machine. I've taken the liberty of removing the oil compartment lid as well as the 7-side guard. If you need assistance with either of these, refer to the lid removal or side guard removal videos. To begin, using your 1/2-inch socket and 1/2-inch open-end wrench, we will remove the eccentric sleeve and the idler from the brush assembly. Remove the idler and place it to the side for reinstallation. Locate the jam nut for your idler in your oil compartment, and using a 9/16 socket, loosen the jam nut. To remove the belt, pull the belt towards the flange of the pulley and rotate the buffer brush. Guide the belt off the pulley. Carefully navigate it past the motor and out through the bottom of the machine. Wrap the new belt around the buffer pulley. Hold at the bottom. Maneuver between the guide pulley and the tensioner pulley. Under the buffer tack pulley. And back to the flange of the pulley. Once at the pulley flange, rotate the brush and guide the belt back onto the pulley. With the belt reinstalled, we now want to install our hardware we removed previously. Snug the bolt and add the stover nut to the other side. Move the stover nut in, but do not fully tighten down. We will now check our eccentric idler. As you can tell, there's no play in the wheel. You'll want at least a little bit of play, but not free spinning. To adjust, take a 7/16 wrench and rotate the sleeve. The pulley should just barely move with a little bit of pressure. After your idler is adjusted properly, fully tighten the stover nut and bolt and lock in position. And check our adjustment again. With the machine still in the transport position and the oil compartment lid removed, we will now want to move the brush to the down position to set our tension properly. To do this, we'll go to Main Menu, Tests, Output, and finally, Brush Lift. Next, we will want to tighten our belt tensioner. While still in our output test screen, press Test Buffer to turn the motor on to check for proper tension and tracking.